How to replace the microphone assembly. Before you begin, remove the speaker mesh, display panel, webcam assembly, and webcam module. Removal. Remove the microphone ribbon cable from its routing channel and the adhesive that secures it to the webcam assembly. Using a pair of tweezers or a flat-bladed tool, carefully lift up and detach the microphone assembly from its clips and adhesive on the webcam assembly. Remove the microphone assembly. Replacement. Place the microphone assembly into its clips and cutouts on the webcam assembly and adhere it to the webcam assembly. Reattach the microphone ribbon cable to its adhesive and routing channel on the webcam assembly.